currently 3:32 a.m. right now, and even though our train is at 6, we decided to leave a bit early because we don't really know how the whole train thing works.
I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm done with just
What is up? We're still pretty confused about our platforms and stuff, but we're figuring it out, guys. We're figuring it out.
I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feel. Inside the train, and which train is and it's pretty empty right now, so we'll be leaving around 6. Yeah. Super excited to go to Jaipur. We'll see you there.
A few moments later.
So after a long 4 hours of us traveling, we finally reached Jaipur, and now we're going to be heading out to the station, probably getting a taxi, and then going to our hotel. They gave us these cookies as a welcome gift. And these are very warm, so I'm super excited to try them. Let's go.
I see you hide yourself.
Let's see the view. They can see the Leela Palace from here.
I can count each freckle.
So now that we're finally checked into our hotels, we're gonna quickly get ready and go for sightseeing. The first destination that we're going to go to is Hawa Mahal, and we really don't have time, so I'm gonna quickly get ready and show you my final outfit. Okay guys, so we're all ready and now we're heading out to Hawa Mahal. We're in this cafe called Wind View Cafe, and as you can see, the Hawa Mahal is right behind us. what to function. I'm literally gonna pass out. So many birds! So this is the Gold Palace. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Guys, so the tour just ended and now we're going to a cute bar or cafe. It's called Palladio. Okay guys, so we're on our way to Cafe Palladio. And it's really beautiful.
I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head.
After I don't know how many minutes of us looking for the cafe, we finally found it.
Sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
This is what the cafe looks like from inside. It's super cute.
Give you my hoodie just so you can smell my cologne.
Guys, we just got our food.
I want you close, I'm missing your existence.
Okay guys, so we're finally leaving and we're going to be heading out to our hotels now. We're super tired and I just can't wait to sleep on the bed.
I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime, wasting no time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
Yeah, so the food is here. Okay guys, so as you can clearly see, I showered as soon as I reached back from the pool. And even though we're not that hungry right now, we decided to order some chicken tikka and malai tikka from room service. And I also have some puldak samyang ramen with me, which I'm gonna enjoy while watching some Netflix. And today was super fun and I am so excited for tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. Good morning guys and welcome to day 2. I've already changed into my clothes and now we're gonna head out to breakfast. Let's go. Okay guys, so now that I've done eating breakfast, I'm going to quickly change into my cute clothes. And here's a little transition for you. Did it work? This is the final outfit for today. It's H&M head to toe. And now we're going to go and see a lot of forts. And it's going to be a really fun day. And yeah, I'm going to be wearing a white overshirt on top because the people here are a little judgmental, I would say. So let's go. Okay guys, so we're currently at the entrance of Anbar Fort and we've booked this cute vintage car so that we could go to the top. Yeah.
Chase that high that you provide. Drive 9-5 to feel alive. Tell my mind to flow like tide. It's hard. Starlight blur across state line.
Guys, so we've reached at the entrance of Anbar Fort and it's already looking so beautiful.
You could be the one to make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand new over you.
This is apparently the third largest wall in the world.
Make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand new over you, over you. Rooftop lights, a new skyline. Lights define Pacific lines. Felt so high, I'm never crashing down.
Guys, so as it was too hot, we decided to stay at CCD. And the cafe here is so pretty.
Grab what I found. You could be the one to make me wanna come through.
We can see the whole Anbar Fort from here and it's so beautiful. Guys, I can't see anything from here, but we're currently at Nahargarh Fort. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but we got ourselves some drinks and now we're gonna head inside from there.
You could be the one to make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand new over you, over you. Rooftop lights, a new sky.
Guys, now we're heading out to the terrace for the beautiful view of JAIPUR.
Felt so high.